This is a young jackfruit tree. It's been successfully growing here. It's still in its tender age. It's maybe about 90 centimeters in height. So this is a jackfruit. Jackfruits are amazing fruits. So we are lucky to have this jackfruit growing here. What I just want to talk about today are the leaves of the jackfruit. Look at the leaves of the jackfruit. They really show their, their power or their uniqueness. And it's a beautiful, beautiful young jackfruit plant. And see how the leaves, the leaves fold out and they sprout from there. It's like they are covered in a set of a bud, the leaf buds, and then they explode. This is the leaf bud here. This is the leaf bud here, which has exploded to form this amazing jackfruit leaves. So let's just have a closer look. Closer look. It's like, it is 4 leaves sort of, together. We have the bottom leaf there, then we have the 2 side leaves there, and then we have the topmost, the uppermost leaf. And the veins are spectacular. Look at the veins, the rib of the leaf is just amazing. So did you know that a jackfruit presents what we call beauty of nature? So we'll just be admiring this jackfruit tree as it blossoms, as it grows into a large tree. And then later on we have the amazing jackfruit fruits. So this is really awesome. So we have like a branch there with some leaves. We have another branch there and a branch there. Amazing fruit tree. So this tree is the jackfruit tree. Enjoy looking at it. Beautiful.